What is going on YouTube? It's of course your boy Alexandrus, guys, and today I'm back again with a new review of an exchange platform. Today we will be discussing BingX, guys, which is a really great exchange for all people involved in crypto. It's really cool for newbies, it's really cool for traders, experienced people, also for people who want to copy trade. They have it all, guys. So before we start with the video, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, we can dive right into this video, guys. First things first, I wanted to say that BingX has been founded in 2018. They are leading crypto exchange, guys. They are serving over 10 million users worldwide, and they really have many diversified products and features. So also they are very proud to have different partners. As you can see, they are official crypto exchange partner of Chelsea, so it's really beautiful to see. And their slogan is empowering traders, guys. They're on a mission to provide a trustworthy and transparent platform, transparent exchange, making crypto accessible for everyone. And that's why I'm saying that they are very friendly to all people involved in crypto, because they really are. They also have great proof of reserves and many other things. So we will be basically diving deeper into all of these sectors in today's video. But yeah, before we get into the proper review, I also wanted to show you some news. They have fully restored their operational capacity following the recent hot wallet incident. They had an incident, but basically everything is now back to normal, and they also are unveiling their new ShieldX initiative, comprehensive plan aimed at enhancing the platform's security infrastructure. ShieldX introduces an upgraded wallet firewall designed to provide advanced protection against external threats. So they are heavily banking on security. There is also a whole article about it on their blog page, which I will link for you down below in the description if you want to go ahead and give it a quick little read. But basically, guys, they are heavily banking on security, and that's what we always like to see, especially when, you know, we are using an exchange which, you know, you will deposit your funds into. So obviously you want these funds to be safe, and these funds are fully backed by their proof of reserve, which is great. And the proof of reserve is even higher than it has to be, because it doesn't cover 100% of the assets that users have. It actually covers over 100%. I'll show you that in a second. What I also wanted to mention is that they are getting really nice volume. As you can see, they are basically top 20. Really great exchange, and honestly they have much bigger potential, especially with the events that they are doing and all of that. So I just wanted to show you this CoinMarketCap page. You can also see what's mostly trading on their exchange. So they have all the major cryptos, they have some tokens as well. They really have it all, guys. So if you really want to experience an exchange that is user friendly, that is easy to navigate, easy to use, and well, user friendly is the most part, in my opinion, because that's what I personally look at, especially when I'm choosing an exchange to use. I always want it to be user friendly. I want it to be transparent and easy to navigate, easy to use, because there are some exchanges that are too complicated. And man, I don't want to deal with something complicated when managing my funds, okay? So that's simple thing. You can see that they are a global digital financial services company with offices in Asia, Oceania, Europe, and South America. So they are pretty much worldwide. So yeah, they are not available for a few countries, but these are like really exceptions. So if you are from Europe, you can easily use it, and I know that most of my audience is from Europe, so that's also especially why I'm bringing this to you. They have a lot of cryptocurrencies, a lot of pairs, and a lot of cool features, as I said, as well as different events, guys. So they really have some core values that I appreciate: reliability, innovation, diversification, and that they're really user first. Okay, I know I'm saying this for a 10th time already in this short video. I mean, it won't be that short, but we are at like 4 minutes ish, but you get the point, right? So that's great, guys. Speaking of different events that they are also hosting, they are official partner of Chelsea, as I said. It's also displayed here somewhere. And they are also principal partner of UFC champion fighters, guys, as well as sponsor of Token 2049 Singapore and Token 2049 Dubai. Also, they have been mentioned in 2021, 2022 and 2023 TradingView Best Crypto Exchanges, and they have gotten many cool crypto awards also regarding exchanges. Obviously, official crypto exchange partner, guys. official crypto exchange partner of Chelsea, like this itself is a huge marketing move that I really like. But getting back to the awards, guys, they are Global Brands Magazine 2022 fastest growing social trading platform, top ranking exchange on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko as well, 10 million registered users worldwide, reliable, user-friendly, over 800 spot pairs, guys. They also support USDT margin and coin margin with up to 125x leverage. So if you like to trade futures, for example, it's really great for you. Over 300 futures trading pairs, speaking of futures, and they also integrate with over 80 public chain ecosystems, guys. And what I also really like about BingX is their very fast support. If you need any sort of help, you can basically go ahead and check this section out, and if you will need any direct help, they are available 24/7, guys, literally all the time, 24 hours a day. They are available, and they will be more than happy to assist you with any issue that you might have. So that's also what's mostly important on a platform where you hold your funds, to be able to get support if you need it. So I can tell you that, I can vouch that they are really doing their job when it comes to their support. Okay, I was also speaking about proof of reserve, guys. So if you go to more section, you can check out 100% proof of reserves here, and then they also have full documentation about it. As you can see, it has been checked, and there is the all info here. But basically they are super transparent about this. As you can see, major assets reserve ratio is platform reserve to user assets. A reserve ratio of over 100% indicates sufficient funds of the platform, and they are more than covered here, guys. 112% Bitcoin. So this means if they would need to cover all the all the funds of the users, they would still have 12% more left. Okay, same with Ethereum, 126%, and when it comes to stables, they have 137% USDT, 144% USDC. Fully transparent. You can go ahead, download their wallet addresses and check it yourself if you want, and you also have informations of different snapshots, different timings. So this is fully up to date. As you guys can see, this has been like a month ago, so it's probably even better now. And if you have some assets, it will also show you your values and all of that. What I also like, the thing that I told you at the beginning, that they are very user friendly and newbie friendly as well. They have BingX Academy. From 0 to 1, they will provide you with expertise in cryptocurrency and trading. So if you are new to trading, if you are new to exchanges, if you don't know how to get started, how to buy your crypto, how to start trading spot, how to complete your KYC, they have all the videos here, they have all the guides here, all the tutorials, everything that you might need, guys, will be here, as well as some new user rewards. They are very rewarding exchange as well, and you can get yourself different bonuses for essentially creating your account. As you can see, doing identity verification for your first deposit, for your first trade. You're getting mystery boxes where you can win up to 500 USDT, as you guys can see. So it's really cool. And they also have this deposit and trade challenge where you can get up to 5,000 USDT trial fund as well. So I mean, really cool, to be honest. They also have this advanced zone. They have different airdrops here, which you can also take advantage of. If you want to participate in each one of these, then you can go ahead and check out how to participate, basically. I also saw one project that was mentioned on the channel, by the way, so it's kind of cool. But yeah, they do have it all, guys, really. So if you want to get started with this, then the rewards hub is the way to go. Okay, so they actually have this bot still, so if you want to participate, you can go ahead and check it out as well. Really interesting, by the way. So yeah, just wanted to point that out. Then wealth, you can earn money, for example, with staking, as you guys can see, and they have different terms, different APRs. Some of them are really good. So if you want to take advantage of your crypto, instead of just letting it sit on your wallet, if you want to make it work for you, then on BingX it's also very possible. So they also have grid trading, in which you can utilize like the swings in the market to generate you some profit as well. So you have futures grid here, for example, and then basically you can create your grid strategy or use a neutral strategy, long, short. If you know how it works, then you will know how to utilize it. I've been using this, and let me tell you that I mean, if you set the strategy right, it can really be profitable. Okay, because what it basically does, if you have it on neutral, I believe, it will buy crypto, so in this case it's BTC to USDT when it's low and sell when it's high. So that's when the crypto is like swing trading. It's very good because, for example, guys, let me give you a brief example of how the grids work. Let's say you have different grids, different levels, right? And the price drops to right here, for example, right? This candle we have here, then it will buy up, and then let's say it recovers back here, it will sell, and so on and so on. So if it swings, you really make profit. For example, this way, if you would be longing this, then man, I mean, shout out to all the people that trade right now. You guys are legends, making some crazy profits probably. I don't have balls to do it, to be fair, so yeah, I will stick with my grids because they are cool. Obviously, you can set up your leverage. The more leverage you have, the more risky it is, but you should be well aware of that. If you are not, then definitely consider learning more about trading with leverage first, so you don't get burned. They also have loans, they have copy trading, which I mentioned at the beginning of my video, where you can basically copy their elite traders, people that are trading on their platform, and you can follow their strategies and their exact trades, and you pay them some sort of a fee, and you can take advantage of their knowledge and let them trade your money for you, basically, which is very cool. It's also fully transparent. You can check out what positions these people have, and as you can see, they sometimes also lose. Who would have thought? Okay, you can't always win, but you have their trade history, and this guy, for example, is mostly successful. But again, like, analyze deeply before jumping in. Check out what's their ratio, win ratio, you know, how much they take, and what's the risk factor, because it's all right here. So all you have to do is basically analyze this, okay? So you also have, it's cool, you literally have sections here. So for example, you have conservative traders, which are technically low risk and long-term growth, and that's also really nice. And you have their 180-day ROIs, and all of these guys, for example, these are free, obviously, but we can go ahead and see more. They all have very good profitabilities. For example, 62% is huge, or 190. This girl knows how to trade, man. I might join the train, you know. Yeah, but you have all the statistics, all the trades. You can check out what she trades. In this case, it's mostly Bitcoin, so fair enough, really nice. So you have the copy trading. They do have more things. You have leaderboards, you have elite traders recruitment, then you also have your derivatives. So if you know how to trade futures, then you can also trade futures here, and it's really nice and easy to use as well. So you can also check out, I mean, set up your multi or single asset mode, whatever you want, but yeah, basically, guys, it's fully available here. And yeah, I mean, what else can I tell you about derivatives? Those that trade derivatives know how it works, and you can see that the dashboard is really nice. You can obviously set whether you want your margin to be isolated or cross, so whether you want to have a separate margins for each of your trades, which can be handy if you trade, for example, BTC to USDT or Ethereum to USDT, like if you have a lot of pairs. But you can also have it cross, so that all your funds will cover all of these trades at once. But again, if you trade derivatives, you know how it works. So yeah, that's cool. Spot trading, they have convert, which is nice. So if you need to swap something fast, instead of, you know, going through the process of selling it on spot market, let's say you just want to buy some Bitcoin quick, you just type in 1000 USDT, it will give you the best possible rate available, and then you hit convert and you convert it. Simple as that, and I really like this feature. It's cool. They also have launch pools, you know, showing you some nice projects with potential and the past results, which is cool. Pre-launch pool, Solana swap, they really have a lot, okay? This video, I know, is getting kinda long, but the thing is, guys, that I really want to show you this fully, like, in depth. So I wanted to show you like all the features here. So yeah, that's basically that. When it comes to that, you can obviously buy your crypto here with them as well, whether you want to use your card or whether you want to go peer-to-peer or simply deposit your fiat. So, you know, you have the possibilities. It's literally endless possibilities. Obviously, when you trade peer-to-peer, always make sure to check out the trader first, whether he has some good opinions. I mean, it's all protected, but you know, always look for the best trade. Obviously, if you want to buy USDT, just always go and buy from the people that give you the best trade. unless you want to overpay, it's up to you. But yeah, they do have it as well. Another great thing, which is to be found in the more section, is the BingX card. So you can also apply for your BingX card, which lets you do your shopping with crypto. You have more information here. What are the fees? They are not big in my opinion, 1% deposit fee, as you can see. Then you also have info, what are the fees with ATM withdrawals and all of that, card limits. So yeah, it's really cool. You can apply for that if it's something that would interest you. If you want to start spending your money this way, then it's also really nice. You can literally spend your cryptos wherever you are in the world, and you can do it through this beautiful BingX card. So you can apply here if you want, and that would be that when it comes to the features, I believe. I don't think I missed anything, hopefully, but you know how it is. They really have a good market position, guys. They have a lot of competitive advantages, as I said. Their brand positioning significantly differs from their competitors. Like, first of all, they focus more on emerging markets and novice users, particularly by attracting users with less trading experience through social trading features. And this also contrasts with Binance's brand positioning, which emphasizes comprehensive coverage and global market leadership, and Coinbase's focus on compliance and security. Like, BingX is, in my opinion, overtaking those top exchanges, you know, with how user-friendly they are, how newbie-friendly they are, and they still have like the same level of security as the top two exchanges. That's my personal opinion, guys, honestly. They also emphasize highly on the community engagement, user education. That's why you have the BingX Academy. They are also very helpful. You have the support, you have the help center. You can also make money by inviting your friends. So, you know, they really have a lot of features that you can utilize. They also have all of these events. I mean, you can check them out, and probably you will not regret it. But yeah, that would be it from today's video. I hope that I gave them a nice comprehensive review here. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about BingX, whether it's your favorite exchange, whether you will start using this exchange, maybe you are already a user, maybe you prefer other exchanges. Let me know in the comment section. I will interact with you guys as always and reply to your comments. Let's have a discussion down there. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed, and if you did, guys, smash the like button, subscribe, and see you in the next videos coming out soon.